The RX100 VI enjoys an enhanced version of the hybrid AF system that impressed on the RX100 V. This sees 315 phase detect AF points covering 65% of the frame, supplemented by 25 larger contrast detect AF focus areas, with the two systems working in tandem to acquire focusing. Initially, the RX100 VI will use phase detect AF to lock focus, with the contrast detect system then fine-tuning where necessary. With the upgraded Bions XN front-end LSI on the RX100 VI, Sony claims focusing is as quick as 0.03 seconds, and we're not inclined to quibble with this. It's certainly one of the quickest, if not the quickest, compact cameras out there in acquiring focus. The RX100 VI also includes Sony's advanced high-density tracking AF technology, which sees the focusing system concentrate AF points around the subject to improve tracking and focus accuracy, while Sony's IF technology is also available, with approximately 2x the tracking performance of the RX100 V. It's when you select continuous AF that the sophistication of the RX100 VI's autofocus system really shines. Use the RX100 VI's wide focus area in single AF mode and you'll have a very competent point-and-shoot camera, with the camera making all the focusing decisions for you. If you want more manual input, you've got center, flexible spot and expand flexible spot, with the addition of 8 points around the desired AF point to assist with AF modes, with the latter two of these enabling you to manually move the AF point around the frame. While you can do this via the 4-way control wheel, it does require a couple of button presses, so the new tap focus functionality is very welcome here. It's when you select continuous AF that the sophistication of the RX100 VI's autofocus system really shines. This sees an extra lock-on AF focus area mode become available, with the choice of various sub-modes on top of that. Tracking performance is incredibly impressive, with the screen lighting up with a multitude of AF points as it tracks your subject around the frame. There's also face detection, but those shooting a lot of portraits will want to take advantage of the RX100 VI's IF feature. Hit the central button in the 4-way control wheel to activate this and the RX100 VI will focus on your subject's eye, and provided you have continuous AF selected, the camera will continue to track the eye as your subject moves around the frame. Clever stuff.